Document collection is the #1 bottleneck in commercial lending, and it's costing you more than you think. The average lending team loses more than 10 hours per employee every week just chasing documents. It's chaotic, it's frustrating. It's time to change the way you work. FileInvite is the only document collection platform built for complex lending. When borrowers know exactly what's needed and how to submit it, everything changes. FileInvite gives borrowers a branded, easy-to-use portal met with clear checklists and automated reminders. No more email chaos. And if documents do arrive by email, our AI automatically matches them to the right loan and request, correctly named, and ready to go. Borrowers feel taken care of, and your teams can focus on the work that actually matters. When borrowers submit on time, your team stops chasing and starts closing. Everyone works from the same workspace without replacing your existing systems. One-click approvals, full audit trails. And with SOC 2 Type 2 security built in, your compliance team is happy too. FileInvite connects to Salesforce, HubSpot, SharePoint, OneDrive, and much more. Start with a template and build a complete loan package in seconds. Send personalized requests to every party from a single workspace. Your documents automatically convert to PDF, sync, and rename to match your folder conventions. The results speak for themselves. By switching to FileInvite, Fundera cut their turnaround time from 42 days to just 15, delivering a better borrower experience, faster closes, and greater efficiency across the board. Trusted by over 500 complex lenders, with more than 37,000 five-star reviews, FileInvite will transform the way you work. Talk to our team and get started today.